Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at McLaren. McLaren ownership officially passed on to Bahrain. The Bahrain fund is already McLaren's largest shareholder, and now they've taken full control of the McLaren Group, which oversees the sports car arm of the company and owns a majority stake in the racing team as the name. So it's official, McLaren is officially a company of Bahrain. It's a Bahrainian company now. The Bahraini fund was already McLaren's major shareholder. The change in ownership marks a milestone, according to the company, and should help inject more stability into the company. After multiple years of rocky production and staff layoffs, the company has been facing financial drought since 2020. In the years since, the automaker has been forced to lay off 1,200 employees, temporarily pause production and sell both its headquarters and heritage collection of vehicles to pay for production of Artura. And just in case you were curious, what is the Artura? This is the McLaren Artura. And to be honest, it looks like a Lotus. They're taking inspiration from Lotus. It's almost as if they've put a Lotus and a McLaren together. The back is Lotus, the front is McLaren. And to be honest, as of late, Lotus has been making a great comeback. Now, I really like McLaren cars, except for the interior. I've never been a fan of the interiors of McLaren cars. Now, we do have a quote from the executive chairman of the McLaren Group, and I quote, "We're delighted at the Mumtalakat continued commitment to McLaren's through the ideas. This will enable us to focus on delivering our long-term business plan, including investment in new products, technology, whilst continuing to explore potential technical partnerships with industry partners." Now, his sentiments were echoed by Sheikh Abdullah bin Khalif Al Khalifa. And I quote, "This recognition and new simplified structure position McLaren for success and open up strategic avenues, which include exploring new partnership to enhance the company's growth over the coming years." In addition to the sports car arm of the company that currently builds the 750s or 750S, GTS, and the Artura sports car, the McLaren Group also owns, of course, McLaren Racing, where the company employs factories, teams in sports including Formula One, IndyCar, Formula E, and Extreme E. McLaren has a lot of racing divisions. So we don't know what the future of McLaren will look like at the moment, but with more funding coming into this company, our expectations are high, so we're looking forward to see what's coming out of McLaren. But I do hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in our next video.